Hey, welcome to HOWZA channel. In today's lesson, we will teach you how to add additional language in Windows 11. Click on Windows icon on the taskbar. The menu will pop up. Click on Settings. Select Time and Language from the left side list. Click on Language and Region. Go to Preferred Languages. Click on Add Language button. Type the language name into the search line, or scroll through the list by hand. Click on the language and click on Next. Check Installation Options. Language Pack, Text-to-Speech, Speech Recognition, Handwriting, and Set as my Windows Display Language. Click on Install. Wait until it's done. You can add another language. Go to Preferred Languages. Click on Add Language button. Type the language name into the search line, or scroll through the list by hand. Click on the language and click on Next. Check Installation Options. Click on Install. Wait until it's done. You can delete the language pack if you want. Click on the language that you need. Click on the three dots and choose Remove from the list. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you used any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!